So in the ChipSpreader we have a 6.7 liter Cummins engine. It's a Tier 4. Its radiators are on top of the conveyors here. Underneath this mesh here is a set of radiators. If you open this screen here, which I can't in this building, you'll see underneath here, you can latch it open up there. You'll see underneath here, there's a radiator here, a radiator here, and a radiator there. There's the engine coolant, there's the intake air cooler, and the hydraulic cooler underneath here. We use these filters to keep from getting dust and debris in those radiators, and those need to be changed from time to time. If we come on up here a ways, you'll see a fill tube here. This is your engine oil fill tube here. Next to it here is the engine coolant reservoir. And back by the operator station, right here, this is the transfer case oil level dipstick. This tube next to it is just a breather for that gearbox. It lets air come in and out of that gearbox. This is a breather. That's your dipstick.